today? Two. Do suspension. Okay, so what we have a problem with this bike is when you go into the corner, it will have two bounces, then only you can open the throttle. So I took the appointment with Chia, so he will do my suspension. So let's see how it goes, and he will lower down the front fork too. So alright. Okay, Chia has this special tool that you don't have to take out the whole panel to get to the what screw? Yeah, so it's sideways because you have to dismantle the whole panel to get to the top compression and rebound screw for the back suspension. So you gotta set tire pressure first. What's the ideal tire pressure for my size?
33.
33.
Yes, side.
Yes,
front and back.
Okay, stock suspension, the rebound is too fast, so you have the it will have the bouncing twice before when you enter the corner. So Kit will do the rebound and compression for front and back. Yeah, okay.
So now is the standard setup for this bike from factory. So now front is moving too fast, the compression is too fast, the rebound is too fast. So when you try to ride a bit harder, that means faster, hard braking and twisted road is actually too much movement. So that's why you have this instability on road. And also the rear, you see, it's bouncing too fast. Okay, one, you hit a bump or what, the recovery rate is very slow. So that's why you're having a instability condition feeling while you're riding. So now we have to solve the problem. The setup, the geometry, and the tuning. So what we see what we can do now. Yeah. Okay. So what I recommend is the front nose down a little bit, so we make it about 10 mm lower. The front end here 10 mm lower from factory, so it's a bit nose down, so it will help the bike to turn even faster and better. Okay. So what we do now, we lower the front first.
So I have this problem, which when I turn into the corner, the bike will have two bounces before I can open the throttle. So it gives me it delays my throttle opening. So I had this problem since day one I got the bike. So I keep gonna fix this, and hopefully my timing on the track and also on the road will be faster when I crack open the throttle.
Okay.
I see we have dropped Now it's 20 mm down, lower. What is this?
This is the digital suspension travel calculator. So it's actually when you install this, and you can calculate how much sack, actually rider sack and free sack from the bike.
Oh,
So you can measure this. This is better than this. Okay,
this
it's more accurate.
Traditional way of
Yeah.
measurement.
Yes.
So this now
Yeah.
is enhanced with digital, so you get more accuracy. What are you measuring?
We
When
are
you do this?
measuring the axle swing arm and the axle, the inlet, which you get the direct point for the suspension, you know,
Okay.
to measure. Which is here. Okay. Right.
As you can see, the device is attached to the rear mid of the axle, and there's a direct connection up to the point where the, what you call this? Where this point, what is this point called?
This is the pivot point.
Pivot point.
Yeah.
Of the swing arm suspension, swing arm to the axle. Pivot point.
Yeah.
This
is
angle slacker.
Yeah, it's an angle calculator for this slacker. Actually, we need a 90 degrees point, so you can get the most accurate measurement. Okay.
Alright.
So now we are measuring the free sack. Okay,
Free sack.
free sack. The bike. So free sack. Amat mari. Angkat. 1, 2, 3. So we lift up the tire. So zero pressure from the suspension. and also the tire. Okay, 1, 2, 3, up. So now it's 0, and then we let go. Okay. So what they're reading now? You got 9
9.
mm
Oh, 9.
preset on the bike. Okay. So the idea preset, yeah, I recommend it is 5. 5. Okay.
From 9 to 5.
Yeah, from 9 to 5. So it's a bit soft side now. That's why you have this bouncy problem, okay, and instability problem. Okay, now rider weight. So rider has to sit on the bike, and then we calculate the rider back. Hello, hello. Okay, fine. Có nào đi đi. Có hậu xíu xíu. Có trung間. Okay. Có hậu xíu xíu. Yeah. OK， 開落嚟咗。所以而家有你係 about 21 mm rider set 啦。So with your gear on is about 8 to 9 kilo 8 to 9 kilo or 10 So will be around 20 about 30 lah. One idea is 25 lah. So I increase preload, which is 2 full ton
Oh, increase preload.
Yeah. So I mentioned because a rider weight here about 7 to 10 kilo. So our calculation is together with that. Okay? Good. 咩可以過嚟教開嘅？你係講嗰啲 basic 嘅嘢咯。點解我哋要呢啲嘢？
Where's the two boys? Makan ah?
Wait, I'm doing the shit. I don't know where they went. Why?
Mana dia dah?
One went out. Two went out actually.
So it means this one 2 full tons.
Yeah, 2 full ton. To increase the preload.
2 full tons and
Ah.
to increase the preload.
Preload. So it's more stiffer now.
Oh, super fast drain battery, man. Now 37%. Holy ho.
Yeah. The good news is
1, 2, 3.
taking that over on Saturday and Sunday as well. So
Okay,
you
lepas.
have a chance to win this week.
1, 2, 3.
You might want to try
Okay,
tomorrow
lepas.
and on Sunday. Kicking things off in
Now the rebound is better.
Better. Okay. harder and slower and bounce back. Front as well, so it's more balanced.